We give, the course is just not a pre-recorded content, 600 hours of pre-recorded content, 120 hours. Now there is less time for us. Each and every class should be an extremely power-packed, intense, conceptual, shortcut driven class. 120 hours of classes. Most of the students who prepare for CAT examination, they generally are working professionals. So the classes will be on 12 weekends will be there. August, September, October. Your syllabus will get over maximum by October, last day of October month, so that November you can revise the examination. 12 weekends class will be there. Every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, combined together 10 hours of class will be there. Entire all physical classes. In case if you want to enroll for live classes, you can enroll. In case if you want to join for a physical classes, we are from Hyderabad. Our office is there. Classes are there in SR Nagar, where it is easily accessible from any part of Hyderabad. You are interested in online classes, you can join. You can download Anil Nair Classes app and you can see the complete details. 120 hours live classes will be there. 600 hours pre-recorded classes will be there. 400 tests with analytics will be there. The validity of the course will be, right, 6 months course. We are giving a special 5,000 special discount. Right now the course is costing at 14,999. For those of you who do not know, I was the ex-Career Launcher South India head of the department for 5 years before starting Anil Nair Classes. Sir, in these online course, you said 600 hours content. Total how many videos will be there? 2,000 videos will be there. You pick and choose what you think is a weakest area for you. We give you an option to go to directly arithmetic topic and learn a topic from which you are not comfortable with it. Total 600 hours recordings we will give. Total 300 plus tests we will give. Total number of solved questions are only 20,000 plus. Sir, whose recording it is? Entire quantitative aptitude LRDI. All the classes are taken by me. You will see the pre-recorded videos by me and also live classes. Live classes we will not take up the basic level questions or level 1, level 2. We will solve the CAT replica related questions. Sir, what all will be covered in these course? Quantitative aptitude will be covered, logical reasoning will be covered, data interpretation will be covered, and verbal ability will be covered. We will also give the pre-recorded videos of verbal ability. What is required for your CAT examination? 10% more only we will give, because student who is preparing for CAT examination, he will definitely prepare for some other management examinations also. Sir, can I watch the content in mobile app? Yes. If I miss the live class, can I re-watch the live class? Yes. Who will take the classes? All the classes will be taken by me. All the classes will be taken by me. Entire quant and LRDI classes will be taken by me. Right? We are ranked number 1 all over India in terms of concepts and shortcuts. You can watch any of Anil Nair Classes YouTube videos to understand the length and breadth of the concepts that we have. These are some of the classes that we do. Verbal ability also will be taken by an experienced teacher. In case if you are somebody who wrote a CAT examination but could not get the deserved percentile because you joined coaching where they taught you traditional methods, ANC is the best option for you. In case if you are a fresher and you want to give it your best shot and get trained by an experienced mentor, ANC is the best teacher for you. In case if you are somebody who joined an institute, every topic one teacher is teaching, but you want one teacher with an experience in CAT examination to handle, ANC is the best option for you. In case if you are somebody who is looking out for a combination of pre-recorded course and live class course, ANC is the best option for you. In case if you want to have a personalized attention and individualized mentoring by an ex-head of the department career launcher, ANC is the best option for you. In case if you do not belong to any of this category, we are not the right people for you. Entire study plan, structured plan, everything will be given by me at the beginning of the class. These are some of the details of the class. Since the notification was out yesterday, we are giving a special 5,000 discount. All you can do is go to Google Play Store and download Anil Nair Classes app. You will come to know all the details.